Hello everyone, today, we're going to explore some delicious and healthy banana recipes that will surely satisfy your taste buds and nourish your body. Bananas are not only a delicious fruit, but also an excellent source of nutrients like potassium, fiber, and vitamins. 1. Banana toast with nut butter. For a quick and healthy breakfast, try toasting some slices of ripe bananas on a piece of whole grain bread, topped with a generous spread of almond or peanut butter. This will provide you with energy and healthy fats for the day. 2. Banana and chia pudding. Blend together ripe bananas, chia seeds, and a touch of milk until smooth. You can sweeten this pudding with a touch of honey or maple syrup if desired. Pour the mixture into a bowl and serve it chilled for a refreshing and nutrient-packed dessert. 3. Banana and Greek yogurt smoothie. Blend together 1 ripe banana, a cup of Greek yogurt, a splash of almond milk, a teaspoon of honey, and a handful of spinach or kale leaves. This smoothie is packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals, making it an ideal post-workout drink. 4. Banana and coconut oil pancakes. Whisk together 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 cups of almond milk, 1 egg, and a mashed banana. Combine the wet and dry ingredients and mix until the batter is smooth. Fold in some diced cucumbers or bell peppers for added flavor. Cook the batter in a non-stick pan over medium heat until bubbles form on top and the edges look set. Serve hot with a side of fresh fruit. These are just a few ideas for using ripe bananas in healthy and delicious recipes. Enjoy!